Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Illinois Department of Revenue step by step clearly. Visit the Illinois Department of Revenue website by typing the URL into your browser. On the home page, locate the login button usually found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will see fields for entering your credentials. Begin by entering your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check that both the user ID and password are correct. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter any errors, review the entered information for mistakes. Make sure your browser allows cookies, as this may affect your login. For additional assistance, you can find contact information on the website. Once logged in, you can access various services related to your account. Explore the dashboard to find the features you need. You are now ready to manage your transactions with the Illinois Department of Revenue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.